ध्येयमन्त्रं वदामः एकनिमिषम्। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमादरम् संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहं संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमादरम् संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमादरम् तदा शिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। सम्यक् श्रूयते इति अहं मन्ये। अद्य षष्ठी चतुर्थी विभक्ति पाठं कुर्मः। In the last 3 to 4 weeks, we have been talking about vibhaktis, which is what is known as cases in English. So we learned about Shashti Vibhakti first. Yatra Sambandha Drishyate Sambandha Vajaga Shabdasya Shashti Vibhakti Bhavati. So wherever there is possession that is shown between two objects, or a man and an object, or between two men, or between two between two objects, or between two, I would not call it objects, between two individuals or individual and object, that is where Shashti Vibhakti is used. Ramasya Pati Patni Sita Sitayaha Patihi Ramaha, Aha and Asya, that is all Shashti Vibhakti. Then we learned about Saptami Vibhakti. Adhikaranat Saptami. So in Shashti is called genitive case in English. Saptami is called locative case. So in, on, at, amongst. Vrikshe bhalaha santi, grihe aham asmi, vrikshe grihe, or nadyam malinyam asti, nadyam, that am, that is all Saptami Vibhakti, it is called a locative case. Then we learned Dvitiya Vibhakti, Karma Padasya Dvitiya Vibhakti. So what is Karma Padasya Dvitiya Vibhakti? So I said about it. Ramaha Patashalam Gachati. Am, that am is Dvitiya Vibhakti, which is also called accusative case in English. Anyway, the English name is not very important. Nobody is going to ask you in the exam also. But for the purpose of just knowing it, because it is there and mentioned in the book, I am just mentioning it. It is called accusative case. Then we also talked about Pradhama Vibhakti, which is Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. The noun in the first form is Pradhama Vibhakti. It means that itself in the sentence. So there is no who is the question for that. Sometimes kim also when your answer is Napumsakam. But otherwise, who is the question, and the answer you will get it as Pradhama Vibhakti. That is called the nominative case. Today we are going to start Chaturthi Vibhakti. So what is Chaturthi Vibhakti? Sampradana Vachakat Chaturthi Vibhakti. Sampradana Vachakat Chaturthi Vibhakti. Okay, so that is very complicated. So it is also called Chaturthi Vibhakti, is also called a dative case in English. You don't need to know the English name at all. I'm repeating it. In fact, if you know the English name, it's an interference to the studies. But it is written in this Pravesha book. So I'm just following the Pravesha book for certain things. So it is written in the Pravesha book, so I'm saying it. Chaturthi Vibhakti, the easier way to explain is Danarthe Chaturthi. Danarthe Chaturthi. So when you are offering something to somebody, When you're offering something for somebody, that for, to, that is Chaturthi Vibhakti. Most of the times, 99%, that is what Chaturthi Vibhakti means. There are some exceptions to the rules. We'll talk about it. Danarthe Chaturthi Vibhakti. In Hindi, it is called संप्रदान वाचकात, which means के लिए, राम के लिए, सीता के लिए, लक्ष्मण के लिए, भरत के लिए, माता के लिए, पुत्र के लिए. That के लिए thing for people to understand Hindi is Chaturthi Vibhakti. For people who understand English, it is for Ram, to Lakshman, to mother, to son. That to or for is Chaturthi Vibhakti. For people who understand Malayalam, because there are some 8 or 10 students in this class who understand Malayalam very well, and it is always easier to learn, to teach Sanskrit in Indian languages, so that ke liye is much more easier than to and for. So for people who understand Malayalam, Ayikondu Vendi, Raman Ayikondu, Ramanu Vendi, Seethakku Vendi, Lakshmananu Vendi, Ammakku Vendi, Maganu Vendi, or Magana Ayikondu, Lakshmanana Ayikondu. Ayikondu is a very older usage of Malayalam. Today it is called Vendi. Ramanu Vendi, Leddu Koduthu. That Vendi, that is Chaturthi Vibhakti. So I have tried to explain Chaturthi Vibhakti in 3 or 4 different languages, in English, in Malayalam, in Hindi also. In Tamil also it is the same. Ramanukaga, Seethakkaga, aduthaan Chaturthi. Ramanukaga koduthitte, Devanukaga, I think that's what in Tamil it is called, for somebody, to somebody, when you are giving something, that is Chaturthi Vibhakti. So now that we know the basic meaning of Chaturthi Vibhakti, Artha Bodha Avashagameva. Other than that, I told you, I am only going to teach you Agara and the Pullinga, Agara and the Strilinga, Akara and the Nabumsagalinga, and Sarvanama Shabdas, and Ikara and the Strilinga. That is what I am going to teach you, because that is what is required in the initial stage. People try to mug up everything that is there in the Pravesha book. People who have the time and the ability to do that can do that. But otherwise, first level, if you understand this much, you can, people who are worried about exam can get 95% plus in the exam with whatever I have taught. If you are able to revise that and go for the exam, you'll get 95% plus. People who learn the full book can get 100 also. Astu. So Chaturthi Vibhakti. On the left side is the Sarvanama Shabdaha, Saha. Saha, you know, it means he, somebody who is far away. In the middle are a set of Kriyapadams. Balakaha, brother. Balakaha is boy. Sahodaraha, brother. Yuvakaha, young man. Chatraha is a student. Gayakaha is a singer. On the right side are some objects. Pustakam, which is a book. Patram, which is a paper or a newspaper or whatever, it's a piece of paper. Lekhanim is wrong actually. Lekhani. Lekhanim is correct because finally it will come to Dvitiya Vibhakti. Lekhani is a pen. Lekhanim is the Dvitiya Vibhakti of that. Because the black letters are all objects. So it has to take Dvitiya Vibhakti in an active voice usage. Madhuram is again, it is Dvitiya Vibhakti usage here of Laddugam or whatever sweet. Pushpam is a flower. Dadati is the Kriyapadam. Dadati is a Kriyapadam, means to give. We have learned all this before. I'm just repeating it again because some people are still joining the class and they will be trying to figure out what is this meaning. So Dadati means to give. The first Stambha is Saha, which is he. You can also use anything there, okay? That Saha can be a Balakaha or a Balika, because I told you the Kriyapadam does not change. Does not change with the Kartrupadam, but the Kartrupadam Lingam. So the Kartrupadam Lingam is singular. So anything singular can come there, except that the middle layer, the Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha cannot come there. The Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha Agajati Cheta, the Kriyapadam will change into Dadasi or Dadami. So keep it separate right now. But a Saha can be replaced by Balakaha, Krishikaha, वैद्यः, अध्यापकः, अध्यापिका, छात्रा, बालिका, महिला, vanita. Anything that saha can replace, saha is only for example. The middle stambha, the dvitiya stambha, balakah, sahodarah, yuvakah, chatrah, gayaka. They are the receiver. The saha fellow, that he fellow is giving something to that balakah, to sahodarah, yuvakah, chatrah, gaya. They are receiving something. Some pustagam, some laddu, some patram. That fellows in the middle, the stambha fellows, the second layer, the blue fellows are receiving something. The third stambha is the object which is being given. So it could be pustagam, laddu, whatever it is. So third layer, the third stambha is the object that is being given, and dadati is the kriya padam. So you cannot say saha balakaha pustagam dadati. That is wrong. Saha, so he, balakaya, to the boy, pustakam. Pustakam is dvitiya vibhakti actually, because pustakam is a nabumsaga lingam. I told you in nabumsaga lingam, the pradama vibhakti and dvitiya vibhakti is the same, but it all the black letters are in dvitiya vibhakti already written. Saha balakaya, to the balaka, pustakam dadati, which means he is giving a book to the boy. Balakaha akaranda pullinga shabdameva. All the ones that are written in the blue letter are all akaranda. That ending is that visargam is there. Ha pullinga padameva. Saha sahodaraya pustagam dadadi. Let us assume the pustagam is being given to all these five fellows. Saha sahodaraya pustakam dadadi. Saha yuvakaya pustakam dadati. He is giving a pustakam to the man, young man. Saha chatraya pustakam dadati. Saha gayakaya pustakam dadati. So the moment the receiver fellow will get that aya thing. If you remember in one of the classes, I have already taught one Ramayanam Dhyaya Shlokaha, which is Ramaya, Ramabhadraya, Ramachandraya Vedase, Raghunadhaya Nadaya, Sitayaha Pataye Nama. All the Ramaya, Ramachandraya, Ramabhadraya, that is all Chaturthi Vibhakti only. So the receiver, we are giving it to Ram. So हम किसको दे रहे हैं, നമ്മൾ ആർക്ക് കൊടുക്കറേ, നമ്മൾ ആർക്കാണ് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്, whom are we giving, Ram को दे रहे हैं, we are giving it to Ram. So Ram will get a Chaturthi Vibhakti. So that is very important for you to know that. Saha Ramaya pustakam dadadi, saha balakaya pustakam dadadi, saha chatraya pustakam dadadi, saha sahodaraya pustakam dadadi. Instead of pustakam, you can also give patram, lekani, madhuram, pushpam. That is written there. So saha sahodaraya pustakam dadadi or sahodaraya patram dadadi. You can choose whatever you want from the blue letter. It is not just to go in the order itself. Saha yuvakaya patram dadadi. Saha chatraya laddukam dadadi. Laddukam is not written there, but I thought I'll start the day with something very sweet. Laddukai. Laddukam. Laddukam is laddu eva. Saha chatraya madhuram dadati. Madhuram, laddukam, that will come because it's an object and it is dvitiya vibhakti, it has to come. So in active voice, I told you the dvitiya vibhakti will be accusative case. You have to accuse. I don't know what it is accuse in English. Accuse means actually to allege something, but here in vibhakti, dvitiya vibhakti is called the accusative case. So you have to accuse him with a reaction of the dadati. Dadati is the kriya padam. So that will come. Saha gayakaya pushpam dadati. So the singer has sung very, very well after a program. So you are going to give a pushpam. Normally you give a bouquet, but here I am just giving one flower. Ekaha patala pushpaha. Patala pushpaha itukte rose flower. Patala pushpaha. So patala pushpam it will become. Patala pushpam dadadi. Kasmai dadadi. Whom will I give it to? Gayakaya pushpam dadadi. Gayakaya pushpam dadadi. So kasmai is a question which we will talk about it separately. Who are you giving it? To whom are you giving it? For whom are you giving it? That is a question which is kasmai. If the answer is a male, if it's masculine gender. But for simplicity, right now we will not discuss the question. But saha gayakaya pushpam dadati. Astu. Now comes to Srilingam. So I told you the first pillar is Sa. Sa is a lady, she is far away. It can be Sa, Mahila, Balika, Lata, Girija, anything, Lalita. Sa is just a name that is given there. We are using a Sarvanama Shabda to explain the Srilingam. It doesn't matter. Sa can be same because Dadati. Sa instead of Sa, it can also be a male also there. I told you. It can be Balakaha, Ramaha, Pratapaha, Sujitaha, Gopalaha, because Sa is just a Kartrupadam. It can be any gender. But what is important is the second pillar, which is the blue letter, because Sita is the receiver, Radha is the receiver, Sharada is the receiver, Kausalya is the receiver, Uma is the receiver. So what are they receiving? Luckily the same things only. Pustakam, Patram, Lekhani, Madhuram, Pushpam. That is what they are receiving. Who is the giver? Sa is the giver. Sa dadati. Sa kim dadati? Sa pustakam dadati. Sa kim dadati? Sa patram dadati. Sa kim dadati? Lekhanim dadati. Sa madhuram dadati. Sa pushpam dadati. So she is giving something. But to whom? For whom? There comes Chaturthi Vibhakti. So Ramaha will become Ramaya. Lakshmanaha will become Lakshmanaya. Chatraha will become Chatraya. But Sita will become Sitayai. Sa Sitayai Pustakam Dadati. Sa Sitayai Pustakam Dadati. Sa Radhayai Pustakam Dadati. Sa Sharadayai Lekhanim Dadati. Just a minute, just a minute. Sorry. Sa Radhayai Patram Dadati. Sa Sharadayai Lekhanim Dadati. You can give Sharada, Pustakam, Patram, Madhuram, Pushpam also, but I'm just going in the order because I've already explained the pillars and all that in the earlier slide itself. Sa Kausalyayai Madhuram Dadati. Sa Umayai Pushpam Dadati. So Akaranda Strilinga Padameva, Sita, Radha, Sharada, Kausalya, Uma. On these Akaranda Strilinga Padams, that Yai will come. Sita plus Yai, Radha plus Yai, Sharada plus Yai, Kausalya plus Yai, Uma plus Yai. Now, why am I saying this 5 times? Because you will then remember later on, whether you see the video or not, you'll remember Chaturthi Vibhakti. Prasad was saying, Akaranda Strilinga Padam, Yai, 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 Agachati. Akaranda Pullinga Padam, Yaya, Rama, Aya, Aya, Aya will come. Balakaya, Chatraya. Akaranda Strilinga Padam, Yai, Sita, Yai. Sa Radha Yai Patram Dadati. Sa Sharada Yai Lekhanim Dadati. Sa Kausalya Yai Madhuram Dadati. Sa Uma Yai Pushpam Dadati. So the Sa can be anything in Pradama Purusha, any Sarvanam Shabdas, any Nama Padas can be instead of Sa, but that is what Chaturthi Vibhakti is all about. So I did some little variation here, not me, my teacher. Aham. So it has come to Uttama Purusha. The moment it comes to Uttama Purusha, I told you the Kriyapadam will track the Kartrupadam. The Kriyapadam will track the Kartrupadam both in the Lingam and the Vachanam. So Vachanam is Eka Vachanam Atra, Parantu, Lingam and the Vachanam and the Purusha also. So Aham is singular. Aham is Eka Vachanam, but Aham is Uttama Purushaha. Ataha Dadati on the right side will become Dadami. Aham Dadami. Aham Kim Dadami? Luckily the same things only. Aham Pustakam Dadami. Aham Patram Dadami. Aham Lekhanim Dadami. Aham Madhuram Dadami. Aham Pushpam Dadami. So I am giving all these things. Aham. I am only giving it. So Dadati is Dadati only. Avam Dadvaha. Vayam Dadmaha. But let's not get into Avam and Vayam right now. I'm assuming that you have done the Lat Lakara chapter. So you know that Aham, Avam, Vayam. But since it is Aham, singular, Ekavajanam, Uttama Purushaha, Dadati will become Dadami. Aham. Kasyai Dadami. Kasyai. The question is Kasyai. We'll talk about it a little later on. Kasmai is for men. The answer is lady. It is kasyai. And these are all ikaranda Srilinga padas. Sahodari, sister. Yuvati, young lady. Gauri, name of a, it can be Gauri also. It can be the goddess also. It can be Gauri, a lady also with the name Gauri. Putri, daughter. Devi, Devi eva. You know the meanings. These are all very self-explanatory. So, aham kasyai pustakam dadami. Aham sahodari will become, that re will become rei, that e will become yai. Sahodaryai. Don't say sahodariyai, that is wrong. Sitayai, Radhayai, Ramayai, Balikayai, Chatrayai. The chatra will also be there, plus yai. Here that ikarandam itself will transform into yai. So sahodaryai, yuvatyai, Gauryai, Putriyai, Devyai. So understood the difference, right? Sahodaryai. Aham sahodaryai pustakam dadami. Aham yuvatyai patram dadami. Aham Gauryai lekhanim dadami. Aham putriyai madhuram dadami. Aham devyai pushpam dadami. I have not specifically written that Sahodaryai, Yuvatyai, Gauryai, Putriyai, Devyai, etc. It is written in the next slide only. But why I am not showing it right now to you? Just listen right now. Don't worry about how to write. I'm sure somebody will be writing this doubt. Why are you not writing it? We'll write it. Don't worry. Right now, just listen to me. Saha Sahodaryai Pustakam Dadadi. Sahodari will become Sahodaryai. And I told you the blue people are all the receivers. So they are receiving something. What are they receiving? The Pustakam, the Patram, the Lekhani, the Mathuram, or the Pushpam. That is what they are receiving. So Sahodari, Sahodaryai, Yuvati, Yuvatyai, Putri, Putriyai, Devi, Devyai. The next example of Chaturthi Vibhakti is Mata. Mata is the Rikaranda Strilinga Padameva, but you can, instead of writing Mata, you can use anything other than Uttama Purusha and Madhyama Purusha there. So you can use any noun form there. So it does not have to be Mata. It can be Mata, Pita, Brata, Uncle, Auntie, whatever it is. Matulaha, Matuli, all that. Matulani and all that, whatever you want to. But then, sorry, it has to be all the Ekavajanams only there. So it can be Mitram, it can be Saha, it can be Sa. So Mata is immaterial, but Mata is just written there just to introduce you to the topic. Aham Tvam Bhavan Bhavati. So when the mother is giving to me, when the mother is giving to you, when the mother is giving to Bhavan, or when the mother is giving to Bhavati. So there are little difference. It is not exactly the same as what I taught earlier. So we'll talk about it. So luckily the items are the same. Pustakam, Patram, Lekhanim, Mathuram, Pushpam. Dadadi is the Kriyapadam. Mata, Aham Pustakam Dadadi is wrong. So Mata is giving to me. So me will become Chaturthi Vibhakti. Mata Mahyam Pustakam Dadati. Mata Mahyam Pustakam Dadati. Got it? Just a minute. There is some issue. Okay, so Mata is giving the book to me. So you will say Mata Mahyam Pustakam Dadati. So the Chaturthi Vibhakti form of Aham is Mahyam. Mata is giving the book to me. Mata is giving the book to you. Okay, so we know Tvam is the Yushmat Shabda. Tvam is the Yushmat Shabda, and Tvam is also the Madhyama Purusha. But today here the Purusha is not important. What is here? What is important is how does Tvam transform? Mata tubhyam pustakam dadati. Mata is giving the book to you. Mata is giving the book for you. Mata tubhyam pustakam dadati. Tubhyam. Mahyam when it is to me. Tubhyam when it is to you. Bhavan Bhavati. I have already explained to you. Bhavan and Bhavati are Prathama Purusha Shabdameva, even though it means you and she, it means you only when it is a male or a female, but it is a different form. It is not Madhyama Purusha, it is Prathama Purusha Eva. So Bhavan will become, please understand, Bhavan will become Bhavate. Mata Bhavate Pustakam Dadati. Mata Bhavate Pustakam Dadati. So Bhavan will become Bhavate. Aham will become Mahyam. You, Tvam will become Tubhyam. Tvam will become Tubhyam. Bhavan will become Bhavate. So Ramaha will become Ramaya. Sita will become Sitayai. Nadi will become Nadyai. Napumsakalingam Shabdams also. Mitram will become Mitraya. Kalatram will become Kalatraya. Whereas this Bhavan will not become Bhavanaya, it is wrong. What you should remember is Bhavan will become Bhavate. When Bhavan is the receiver, it will become Mata Bhavate Pustakam Dadati, Mata Bhavate Patram Dadati, Mata Bhavate Leganim Dadati, Mata Bhavate Madhuram Dadati, Mata Bhavate Pushpam Dadati. So Bhavan will become Bhavati. Bhavati luckily is the same as Nadi, Sahodari, etc. So it is Sahodariyai, Gauriyai. I told you about that earlier itself. Ikaranda Strilinga Padam Tadrishameva Bhavati Ataha Bhavatyai. So one less thing to remember. You should remember the commonalities. Why I am telling all this is, you should remember the commonalities. Of course, the best way is to learn the Siddha Rupam. So, Aham, Avam, Vayam, Mam, Avam, Asman. The Chaturthi will become Mahyam. Mahyam. So, you should remember the Siddha Rupams and Mahyam, Avabhyam, Asmabhyam. But right now, you just remember the Mahyam. We will go to Avabhyam, Asmabhyam in the next part of this class. Before that, I will just lock for a while at 8:15 around for my teacher Kumar Mahodaya to come. I am not so sure he's already logged in or not. He will be coming to give a small explanation about a program that we are conducting of Samskrita Bharati Mumbai Nagarasya. I'm just trying to further whether Kumar Mahodaya has already joined or not. No, he has not joined. He has not joined, so that gives me some more time to continue. And as expected, there are only 41 students in the class today. So I assume that this around 41 students, some people have already written to me, like Lalita ji, Rinki ji, they have personal issues at home, so they were not able to join. But this is the kind of attendance. So we started with, I think, something around, not started, we started with 17 or 18 people only. Then the peak of that around 60 people in the class one day. Now it is 40. But I think that is steady state. So I think these 40 people, I want them to learn Praveshaha, Parichayaha, Shiksha, Kovida, all the 4 levels. And possible do MA in Sanskrit and PhD in Sanskritam also. I am not qualified or competent enough to teach all that. Whatever I know in Pravesha, I will teach you. Later on, I'll think about doing some Parichaya. But 40 students in this class is good enough because that means attrition is much lesser here. Anyway, Bhavati is Bhavatyai. So again, I'm repeating, so little differences are here. Aham is not like Ramaya and all that. So don't let us not use our little learned Sanskritam to say Aham is Ahamaya. It is wrong. Aham is Mahyam. Mata Mahyam Dugdam Dadadi. Mahyam means she is giving Dud. Dugdam is milk to me, but we will not use those kind of Kriya Padams. We'll use what is there on a table itself. Pustakam, Patram, Lekhani, Mathuram, Pushpam. Mata Mahyam Pustakam Dadati. Mata Tubhyam, to you. Tubhyam Patram Dadati. Mata Bhavan will become Bhavate. Bhavate Pustakam Dadati. Bhavate Laddukam Dadati. Bhavate Dosam Dadati. Bhavate Idlim Dadati. Bhavate patram dadati, bhavate pushpam dadati, bhavate sandwicham dadati. Sandwich is a totally wrong usage, but I'm just trying to show you that sandwich will become karma padam, so that will come. Actually, it is wrong. Sandwich is not a Samskrita padam. I'm just trying to explain to you. Like the last week, I said cinema pashyati. Cinema is not a Samskrita padam at all, but just to show you that object gets the Dvitiya Vibhakti. Sandwich will become sandwichem, but don't go and tell anybody with our little learned Sanskritam, sandwichem dadati, that is wrong. But I'm just trying to explain to you, Mata Mahyam, to me, sandwichem dadati. Sandwichem is wrong, but again, Mahyam is important there because I am receiving it. In sandwich is important because it is the Dvitiya Vibhakti. But don't use sandwich and tell the Prasad has used sandwich in Sanskritam class. It is just to give you the meaning. Artha bodham karaniyam. Anandaram, you can all only go and learn all the other forms. There are all the other forms in this book. Slowly we can learn all. Mata tubhyam patram dadati. Mata bhavate lekhanim dadati. Lekhani pen, lekhanim dutiya vibhakti. Mata bhavatyai pushpam dadati. Bhavati will become bhavatyai. Chaturthi vibhakti. Pita. Mata can be Pita also. Anything of Pradama Purusha, you can use it there. It doesn't matter. The lingam doesn't matter. What matters is the Vachanam there, because Vachanam is important. Because Eka Vachanam, then the Kriyapadam also will become Eka Vachanam. Bahuvachanam, Kriyapadam, Bahuvachanam. When the Kartrupadam is Dvivachanam, Kriyapadam also Dvivachanam. But you can use any of the Pradama Purusha Shabdas there. In Eka Vachanam. Saha Eshaha Kaha. Saha is he. Eshaha is the person standing near me. He only, but standing near me. Kaha, who? That's a question. So you have to ask, no? To whom are you giving it? For whom are you giving it? To whom are you giving it? That is why the Kaha is written there. So Pita, Saha. Pita is giving the Pustakam, Dadati eva. Pita Pustakam Dadati. But he is giving to Saha. Saha is he. So how do you say Saha? Saha will get transformed to Tasmai. Pita Tasmai Pustakam Dadati. So please remember, Saha, Tau, Te, Prathama Vibhakti forms. Tasmai is the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Tasmai is the Ekavachanam Chaturthi Vibhakti. Tasmai Pustakam Dadati. Pita Eshaha Etasmai Pustakam Dadati. Saha, he far away. Eshaha, he nearby me. Etasmai Pustakam Dadati. Tasmai Pustakam Dadati. Because Saha Chaturthi Vibhakti is Tasmai. Eshaha Chaturthi Vibhakti is Etasmai. Kaha, to whom are you giving it? Kasmai Dadati. Kasmai Kim Dadati. Kim Dadati can be Pustakam, Patram, Lekhani, Maturam, Pushpam. That is the object. Kasmai Dadati. Tasmai Dadati. Ramaya Dadati. Kasmai, the question is for answer is masculine or Napumsagam. Masculine only for that matter. Question for Napumsagam is also Kasmai only. Because I told you Napumsagam and masculine take the same forms. Saha, Kasmai Dadati. Let us not get into Pustakam Lekhanim right now. First of all, to whom are we giving it? Let us settle that first. Saha Ramaya Dadati. Saha Lakshmanaya Dadati. Mata Kasmai Dadati Ladukam. Mata Anujaya Dadati. Suppose me and my brother are there and then I don't know. So to whom the mother is going to give? So I'll ask. Mata Kasmai Ladukam Dadati. So Mata Anujaya Laddukam Dadati. So I will cry. I'll say, no, I want a laddu. So I'll say, and then at that Mata gives a laddu to me also. Mata Mahyam Laddukam Dadati. Mata Mahyam Laddukam Dadati when it is given to me. Mata when it is given to Anuja will become Mata Anujaya Laddukam Dadati. When the Mata is giving the Laddukam to you, you is my friend, for example, here. Then Mata Tubhyam Laddukam Dadati. And Mata has given it to him. Mata Tasmai Laddukam Dadati. So Saha will become Tasmai. You will become Tubhyam. I will become Mahyam. My brother Anujaha will become Anujaya. Anujaha, Anujaya. So that kaha will become kasmai. So that is the question. To whom are you giving it? Answer is singular only. Kasmai only. We have to talk to the Dvitiya and the Dvivachanam and the Bahuvachanam. We will talk about separately. First of all, let us get the Artha Bodham. Let us understand the Ekavachanam. After that, we'll go to Bahuvachanam. It is very easy. Just the forms will change a bit. Artha Bodham same eva. To whom are you giving it? The receiver will be get Chaturtha Vibhakti, Chaturthi Vibhakti. Kasmai dadati, Anujaya dadati. Ramaya dadadi, Ravanaya dadadi. Ravana we won't give anything, but still Ravana is also a scholar. He is also Samskrita Panditaha, so we will give him also. Not a problem. We will worship everybody in Hinduism. So that is the beauty of Hinduism. So there is nothing called sinner and all that. You know, they have all these kind of, all these Semitic religions have sinner. We don't have sinner. Ramana and Duryodhana and all the Kauravas, they also went to Swargalokam only. Because that is the purpose of their life for which they have to come to show us and teach us something. So there is nothing called Judas and sinner and kafir and all that in Semitic religions. They have all sinners. We don't have sinners. Everybody has good qualities in them. So we do puja for Ravana also, not a problem. We respect Ravana also. He is also some scholar ever. There is a Ravana Shivastuti asti. You can Google and find it out. Ravanasya Shivastuti asti. So before killing Rama, he was a Shiva Bhakta Eva. So he writes a beautiful poem and he recites it and he gets all the power. But finally, when you are doing adharma, even Shiva will not help you. So that is what happened to Ravana. Anyway, Kasmai is the question for Kaha. Pita is giving to she, Sa, she, Esha, she again, but standing near me. Ka is who is that she to whom I am giving it. So Ka answer can be Pradama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha. Kaha also answer can be Pradama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha. So Kaha will become Kasmai. Answer can be Pradama Purusha, Uttama Purusha or Madhyama Purusha, but the Chaturthi Vibhakti form. The question is in Chaturthi Vibhakti, answer is in Chaturthi Vibhakti. The question is in Chaturthi Vibhakti Strilingam, answer is in Chaturthi Vibhakti Strilingam. Such a beautiful language. Everything is so codified. From the question, you will know what is the lingam of the answer itself. Who are you giving it in English? The answer can be to Sita or to Rama, but here Kasmai dadati. If you know the answer is given to Rama, Kasmai dadati. Kasyai dadati if you are giving it to a lady. But if you don't know whom are you giving it, you can use Kasmai. So everything is so beautifully codified and written. It is just like algebra and mathematics. As you go step by, that is the reason why I keep telling everybody, please don't even miss one lesson. Even if you miss, like today, Rinki Bagni had some personal issue at home. She cannot attend, but she will see the video and she will attend the class and she'll ensure that we are going step by step. If you miss a step, you will definitely not be able to understand the next class. Of course, there are a lot of MA Sanskritam and PhDs here. They will understand, but I'm talking about the normal general students who for whom they are hearing this for the first time in their life. If they don't go step by step, they will not understand. Then they will slowly think Sanskritam is a problem. Sanskritam is not a problem. You are the problem because you have to revise. You have to learn. You have to constantly listen. You have to constantly read. That is the only way to learn. I am not telling to write. Writing is the next step. I am telling Pravesha Padanam Purnameva. Without writing, you can do. Just through reading and just through listening and just through talking. Even reading, yeah, reading is important. Reading, listening and talking is all important. Writing, you write the exam, automatically things will start coming to you. Because it is like a small kid. A small kid doesn't talk for 1.5 to 2 years. She will only say, Amma. But there are so many Shabda Bandara in him or her. The moment she starts talking, everything will start coming. Similarly, when you write also, if everything is there, you'll automatically start writing. But certain people continue write a lot. Not a problem. That is the way different students learn. So I will not encourage or discourage that. You can use your own ways to learn. That is very important. Because if you miss a step, I am telling you, it is difficult to understand the next class in Sanskritam. Because every class is linked to the previous class. Pita tasyai pustakam dadadi. Giving it to her that she is far away. Pita etasyai pustakam dadati. Etasyai means the lady is near me. Pita kasyai pustakam dadati. To who, which lady is that? To who that lady is pustakam dadati? Pita Sitayai pustakam dadati. Pita Durgayai pustakam dadati. पिता देव्यै पुस्तकं ददाति, पिता ललितायै पुस्तकं ददाति, पिता शैलजायै मधुरं ददाति, पिता रेवत्यै, रेवती रेवत्यायै नहीं, रेवत्यै पुस्तकं ददाति, लड्डुकं ददाति, इडलीं ददाति, पिता एतस्यै पुस्तकं ददाति, when the lady is near you, तस्यै एतस्यै, कस्यै is a question, कस्यै ददाति, the answer is तस्यै or any female form, ekavachanameva. Kasya is the singular question, so the answer is also singular question. Then we'll talk about dvivachanam and bahuvachanam later in the class. Tvam, the moment you use tvam, it is madhyama purushaha, so dadami, dadati will become dadasi. When I wrote aham there, it became dadami. When you write tvam here, it will become dadasi. Tat etat kim. Luckily, tat etat kim are napumsaka padam, and the form is exactly the same as the pumlinga padameva. Tat will become tasmai. Etat will become etasmai. Kim will become kasmai. Tvam tasmai pustakam dadati. Dadasi, because tvam hai. Mata तस्मै पुस्तकं ददाति, अहं तस्मै पुस्तकं ददामि, त्वं तस्मै पुस्तकं ददासि, त्वं एतत्, एतत् object itself. So sometimes you have to give it to an object, but I told you mitram, kalatram, I keep repeating, there are napumsakalinga padams with life also in it. So Sajivaga, what is it? Nirjivam and Ajivam, Ajivam and Sajiva, whatever it is. Wherever there is life also, Mitram, you can use Tasmai Pustakam Dadati, Etasmai Pustakam Dadati, Tvam Kasmai Pustakam Dadasi. The answer can be Tvam Tasmai Pustakam Dadasi, Tvam Ramaya Pustakam Dadasi, Tvam Mitraya pustakam dadasi, tvam balakaya pustakam dadasi. That tasmai, the kasmai question can be either akaranta napumsakalingam or any pullinga shabdas. Any pullinga shabdas. So napumsakam and the pulling, the answer is, the question is kasmai. So it can be Ramaya, Ravanaya, or if it is giving to you, you can say Tubhyam Pustakam Dadasi also. You are giving it to you, that is still wrong. So instead of that, we can say Tvam Ramaya Pustakam Dadasi, Tvam Balakaya Pustakam Dadasi, Tvam Etasmai Pustakam Dadasi. When the person is nearby, it can be the Pumsakam or Pullingam. Tvam Tasmai Pustakam Dadasi. So I think my teacher has come. Just a minute. I'll just. So Shiva Panjakshara Mantram. All of you know this. Shiva Panjakshara Mantram is Nagendra Haraya Trilochanaya Basmangaragaya Maheshwaraya Nityaya Shuddhaya Digambaraya Tasmai Nakaraya Namah Shivaya. So there is this Shiva Panjakshara Stotram. Shiva Panjakshara Stotram. Panjakshara Mantram is Nama Shivaya. That is Panjakshara Mantram. Nama Shivaya. Panjakshara Stotram is Nagendra Haraya Trilochanaya Basmangaragaya Maheshwaraya Nityaya Shuddhaya Digambaraya Tasmai Nakaraya Namah Shivaya. The word Namaha, when it comes, you have to use Chaturthi Vibhakti. Another rule I am telling you, because Namaha means you are giving everything to the other person. You are Namaskaram Karoti eva. Kasmai Namaskaram Karoti. Nagendra Haraya Namaha. Trilochanaya Namaha. Basmanga Ragaya Namaha. Maheshwaraya Namaha. So he is the recipient. Who is the recipient? Nagendra Haraya, Trilochanaya, with three eyes. Nagendra Haraya, who has got serpent on his neck. Basmangaragaya, who has completely smeared his body with the basma or ashes. Nityaya, Shuddhaya, Digambaraya, Tasmai. Tasmai is also only. I told you, right? Saha Tasmai. Tasmai Nakaraya. Namah Shivaya's first letter is Nakaraya. Nakaraya kaha? Sanskrit Shiva Shiva Bhagavaneva. Ataha Nakaraya Namah Shivaya. The moment you use Nama, I told you about Vishnu Sahasranamam, Lalita Sahasranamam, etc. It is wherever Namaha in the Namavali of Vishnu Sahasranamam and Lalita Sahasranamam, you will see all before Namaha, it is all the 108 forms will be Chaturthi Vibhakti only, because the moment Namaha comes, it is Chaturthi Vibhakti. Similarly, when Swasti is a Vedic word, Swasti also comes, which means Mangalam Bhavatu Eva. When Swasti also comes, the word preceding that will get Chaturthi Vibhakti.